Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. If you don't know what Holidays with the Housewife is, that's okay. It is my annual Christmas card making event, 12 full days of card making fun. Today I have a really pretty foiled card to show you. This is my foiled ornament card. Isn't that pretty, the way that the light catches that foil? I've used metallic cardstock here as the mats. There is a spot on the inside to put your message, and of course it comes with an included envelope. This card can be made on any of the Cricut cutting machines. If you're going to be using a Cricut Joy, you'll just have to use a pre-made card base as well as an envelope, and make sure that you're using the Cricut Joy foil transfer tool. If you've been intimidated or gotten poor results with the foil transfer kit in the past, don't worry. I show you a little bit later in the video how to use this card design with pens to create beautiful results. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. Once you've typed in the password, you're brought to all the free files. At the time of recording this video, I do not have any of the Holidays with the Housewife card files in my file library, but there is a graphic that is popping up right now that tells you the design number for this particular card. Go ahead and click that hyperlink, download the file onto your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been brought into Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score line. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. Do the same thing for the card base. And now lastly, we need to change the foiling from cut to foil. So highlight the clip art, come up to the Operation menu and change that to foil. I'm going to be using the bold tip for this project. Highlight the group and attach. So altogether we have the envelope that we have converted the score line for, the card base that we have converted the score line for, and then we have changed the foiling from basic cut to foil. Once you have gotten that done, you can go ahead and click Make It. I'm going to be using the mat for this project, and you'll see the different mats. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I will see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Okay, for this part I wanted to go ahead and show you a few things with the foil transfer tip. I am using the bold, which is the tip with the 3 lines on the edge here. I'm going to go ahead and place my cardstock onto the mat. Give it a good burnish. And now I'm going to carefully place the foil on top of the cardstock. And now I will take the tape strips that come with the foil. I'm going to start at the bottom. You probably can't see this part because it's a little bit out of frame. I'm trying to get it taut, but not very, very tight, because I don't want anything to rip while the machine is doing its thing. Going to get all four sides nice and secure. The best part about this tape is that it is reusable. I'm going to go ahead and put my foil tip into clamp B. I've made sure that my star wheels are pushed completely to the left and right so they're out of the way. I'm just carefully removing the tape and the foil. I'm going to replace the foil transfer tip with the cutting blade. And go ahead and finish the cut. Step 5. Assemble your card. Now that everything has been cut and foiled, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we need to do is go ahead and take our foiled ornament piece and mat that onto the gold mat, and then do the same thing for the messaging panel. Okay. Now we can fold and burnish the card base. Go ahead and add our messaging panel to the inside of the card. Give the card a close and go ahead and add our front cover panel. And there is our pretty foiled card. I'm going to set that to the side so I can show you how to put together the envelope really quick. For the envelope, just go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines. Go ahead and add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place that over the cutout on the envelope. Go ahead and spin that envelope around and add your glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and give that a press. And that completes the envelope. So pretty. Isn't this card beautiful? I really love how foil just accentuates different projects, paper projects and cards. It's really beautiful. Now, I told you earlier that if you have been intimidated or gotten poor results in the past with the foil transfer kit, I said I was going to show you how to use the pens. In Design Space, instead of converting the clip art to foil, go ahead and convert it to pen, and then you can use the metallic pens that are offered by Cricut to really create some beautiful results. I have used the silver pen to show you this example, and look how gorgeous that is. The metallic pens are a little bit thicker than our usual 0.4 millimeter pens, but just gorgeous. So there's definitely different ways to get around using the foil tool. If you do end up making this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of friends who love to support and motivate each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!